BRINJAL Curry. Thank you for watching today. BRINJAL curry is a vegetable similar to eggplant in the U.S. This purple delicacy is grown on the Lankan Village Island. We're going to use it today in a recipe for our curry recipe. We're going to bring a bowl of the brinjal that we just picked. It's very fresh. We're going to add onions to our recipe. These are purple onions, chilies that we've already chopped up, and our coconut oil to cook with. Our rampi and curry leaves, and our garlic. Our salt to taste at the end of cooking. We're going to start by using our very sharp stationary knife. We're going to slice it in half, and then we're going to slice it again. We're going to leave the seeds in and the skin. Our village people are very skilled at cutting off the stem and cutting it crossways. We'll leave it in the water so it will stay fresh. We're going to make a good size recipe that will feed all the village people. We will use this as our main dish today. This is a vegetarian meal. Now it's time to cook outside on the fire pit. We're going to pour in the coconut oil and let it cook. We're going to put in our onions and our garlic. Bring it to a boil. Our curry leaves. And we're going to cook these down a bit. I love this outdoor cooking. It's so fun to be outdoors. We're going to add the eggplant or our brinjal. The curry leaves will add a lot of flavor. Here's our salt. We're going to let this cook down and simmer. If you enjoy our village cooking videos, please check out our playlist. I put a link in the comment section, and you can view a lot of different recipes. Please comment below also if you like this video. And now our brinjal is getting very tender. Take off the fire. It looks delicious.
Please watch our playlist in the comments section. And please subscribe. We love our village cooking. It's very interesting and entertaining. We know you'll love these videos. It's very relaxing and beautiful. Eggplant is a delicate tropical plant cultivated as a tender annual in temperature climates. Is eggplant bad for you? It can be toxic if eaten raw. Add rice to your dishes. Cooking raw, but staying healthy. You can cook a variety of these wonderful recipes. It's easy. Usually takes under 30 minutes. These are packed full of protein and vegetables with a tasty sauce and spices. These are eaten all over the world, in all kinds of communities. Share these videos with your friends and family. You'll be glad you did. You can all cook together to make these delicious recipes. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Hi, I'm Sweet Sue, and I'm cooking amazing recipes. We have village cooking that is cooked on the outdoors, open an open fire. These are amazing recipes to watch. Like this one, for example, it's stringing batter into very hot oil. And this can be flavored into like onion rings, or you could do like not potato chips, but like batter chips. And then you can also have it as a dessert underneath fruit, like it's a little cookie or a cake. So this is a very unique type of cooking where it cooks very fast and it's made out of a batter, cooked outside over either an open fire or a very hot stove. We have recipes from start to finish. If you like these recipes and also enjoy watching our videos with village people and different other recipes such as stir fry and also air frying, then please consider subscribing. Simply click my picture to the right side of the screen on the bottom, and you will see all of our recent uploads. We appreciate it, and it will grow our channel.